Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we'll show you a video how to diagnose if you have a bad drive shaft center support bearing on BMW 46 guys. We have that 330 CI HP. And you know that's the main build on World Mechanics, our first channel guys. So the drive shaft bearing is done. I'll show you why. Stay with us guys, and I'm gonna demonstrate the noise that you hear inside when you accelerate. So let's go ahead and see that now. Okay guys, just ignore all the lights we have here. That is because we need to reset it. Okay, so stay with us and we're going to show you now what the deal is. Okay guys, so if you just drive nice in town you might notice it, but if you take off first and second, hear now the noise. Okay, I hope you can hear that. Okay, right now in second again. This is the drive shaft vibrating underneath. Yep, so you can hear, especially first, second, even third gear, you can hear it because the drive shaft is getting out of balance. The support bearing that has the rubber bushing, either the bearing or the bushing is done, most likely the bushing. So that's why you need to buy the whole kit. Okay, I'm gonna go in second again here. And you can feel it vibrating, especially right here, okay, behind you. And then it goes away. So it does it at lower RPMs. Okay, and anything else is good. So if you have that, whatever they call the flex disc on the front, if it's bad, usually you feel it when you downshift. Okay, you feel like you have a bad transmission sometimes, but it's not. So in our case, it's just the drive shaft bearing. So we'll have a video guys how to replace that. So make sure to check out the channel. We'll cover the whole procedure. Many more videos on World Mechanics as well. So thank you guys for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.